Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new workspace on Slack, which is a really helpful function if you, for example, want to establish a new project and want to separate it from the current workspace. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen, and then tap on Add a Workspace. As you can see, you are signed into all workspaces for this email, but if you tap on it, you can select a new email if you want to, and sign into another workspace if you would like to do so, but you can also join another one or create a new one by yourself. You should select an email address that you want to use, your current one, or you can also add a new one. So you should type in the name of your company or team or project. Tap on the button Next. Type in the name of the project that you are working on. And you should invite a few other members to your new workspace, either by sharing a link to your future teammates or add someone from your contacts or add by email, but you can also skip this function for now by tapping on the next button in the upper right corner of the screen. Now it has been made, so tap on See Your Channel in Slack. Now you are directed to your new workspace, so here you can find a channel section, direct messages section, so if you want to, you can add new teammates to it, send messages, and so on. So you can go back to your previous workspace by tapping on this button in the upper left corner and select from these workspaces, so you are free to jump back and forth between these accounts. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.